wanna learn this, here's how. Step, your goma is gonna go right there, and the second one's go right next the middle finger, like that. So the second time is gonna get this finger and put it and get this one like that, and repeat it like this in the green one. So it's like this now. So you what gonna do is just like that, and ganon, and gonna ikot it like that, put it right here, okay? And this one is gonna go here. So it's gonna like be that. So you're gonna may tanggal that, and this one is you're gonna tanggal it too. So this X will remove. Okay, here.